Hello everyone, this is Hippo. Today we will start to learn Pearson Edexcel Chemistry Student Book 1. The chapter 1 is very simple and you can take notes during the class. There are many principles and theories that need to remember in the A-level exam. Okay, 1A. Atoms, elements, and molecules. There are three basic theories of the chemistry. The first, chemistry, the study of matter and change. Symbol, one atom or one mole of an element. Formula, a way of presenting information about the chemical properties of atoms that constitute a particular chemical compound or molecule. So, the first is the element. They are in the periodic table, like hydrogen, lithium, and carbon. The definition of the elements is that elements are chemically the simplest substance, so they cannot be broken down using chemical reactions. The second is the atom. It's composed of the elements. It is defined as the smallest part of an element that has the properties of that element, like the oxygen is the atom of the element oxygen. Third is a molecule. It's a particle made of two or more atoms bonded together. Notice that the only covalent bond lattice or structure can define as a molecule. The sodium chlorine isn't a molecule. It's just a compound with ionic bond. So only covalent bond can define as a molecule, such as silicon oxide. Fourth, the compound. It is a substance containing atoms of different elements combined together. Like this, sodium chlorine, it have two different elements, one sodium and second chlorine. And fifth, the ion. It is a species consisting one or more atoms joined together and having a positive or negative charge. So we see that sodium chlorine is an ionic bond, so it composed as the sodium positive ion and the chlorine negative ion. Notice that if we during the exam we can see the sodium atom, it must be the ion. Also there are some symbols like the mona means that one elements composed one atom. Most of the noble gas, such as the helium element compose the helium gas. And made of two atoms is called the diatomic, such as the oxygen atom consists of two oxygen. It made up oxygen element. And also, if there are number above the 2, it described as the polyatomic. The polyatomic, like methane, phosphorus. Also, this principle is defined in ion: monatomic ion, diatomic ion, and polyatomic